Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video, how to operate your Honda EU2200i generator. In this video, we'll show you how to properly and safely operate your generator. Operating a generator can be dangerous if used improperly. Always refer to the owner's manual regarding the safe and proper operation of your generator. Generator exhaust contains carbon monoxide, which is a poison you can't see or smell. Never use a generator inside a home or garage, even if the doors and windows are open. Only use outside, far away from windows, doors, and vents. Now let's take a look at the controls on the exterior of the generator. There are the fuel cap with vent lever, choke lever, engine on-off switch, starter grip. Note that these operation contact points are color-coded to ease the starting procedure. Also on the exterior of the generator are the maintenance cover, spark plug maintenance cover, and the control panel. On the control panel, there is the eco throttle switch, oil alert indicator light, overload indicator light, output indicator light, AC receptacles with AC circuit breaker, DC receptacles with DC circuit breaker, parallel outlets, and the ground terminal. Adding fuel to your generator should be done in a well-ventilated area, away from sources of flames or sparks, and always wipe up any spills immediately. Make sure that the engine is off and cooled. Then remove the fuel filler cap and fill the fuel tank slowly up to the red ring in the fuel filter to avoid overfilling. Reinstall and tighten the fuel cap until it clicks. Wipe up any spills before operation. Always check the oil level in your generator before each use. Be sure that all appliances or devices are disconnected from the generator. Turn the fuel filler vent cap to the on position. Make sure the eco throttle switch is turned to the off position. If the engine is cold, then move the choke lever to the closed position. Turn the engine switch to the on position. Pull the starter grip lightly until you feel resistance, then pull briskly away from the generator. Return the starter grip gently back to the generator. Once the engine is warmed up, move the choke lever to the open position. Then, if you choose to use the eco throttle function, turn the eco throttle switch on. To stop the engine in an emergency, quickly turn the engine switch to the off position. Under normal conditions, turn off all appliances that are connected to the generator and then turn the engine switch to the off position. Operating the generator in the fuel off position before turning the engine off can reduce the amount of fuel in the carburetor, which can help reduce fuel-related concerns. With the engine switch in the fuel off position, the engine will continue to run for several minutes and then it will stop. Note that after stopping the engine using the fuel off position, restarting the engine will require additional pulls of the recoil starter. Once the engine has stopped and is cooled, turn the fuel filler cap vent lever to off. Generators are a potential source of electrical shock. Never expose the generator to moisture, rain, or snow. Do not operate the generator with wet hands, or remove any of the generator's covers while it is running. The two AC receptacles can supply power to common household items that operate at 120 volts and require less than 2,200 watts or 18.3 amps of power. Before connecting an appliance to the generator, verify that it's turned off and that its electrical rating does not exceed that of your generator. Once the generator is started and the green output indicator is illuminated, voltage is present at the receptacles. If the red overload alarm light illuminates or the circuit protector trips, the appliance may require more electrical power than the generator is able to supply. It might have a short circuit or an internal fault. The power to the receptacles will be stopped until the fault has been rectified. Stop the engine, unplug the appliance, and recheck the appliance to verify that the generator's specifications are not exceeded. The EU2200i generator is equipped with the Eco Throttle system, which automatically raises or lowers the engine speed depending on the electrical load for lower noise and improved fuel consumption. To use the Eco Throttle function, start the generator with the Eco Throttle switch in the off position, plug in the appliance, turn the Eco Throttle switch to the on position, then confirm that the engine speed adjusts once the appliance is turned on. And in the event a tool or appliance does not function properly, turn the Eco Throttle off and retry. For any additional information regarding the operation of your EU2200i, refer to your owner's manual or contact your Honda Power Equipment dealer.